Okay, here we go. I actually used the drill and wire brush on the whole thing just to save time. So all this done, I've got it cleaned out pretty good in here, good enough for what I need to do. Now I need to try to get this thing straightened out and fix these problems on it. And one I'll show you right away. Have a Mr. Tree here hold this up for me. You see these screw holes where the screws go through? They're a lot of them are pulled in, and that doesn't give you a good tight surface. So what I'm going to do is fix these screw holes. I may have to get a different punch before I'm done. I think I will. Just bear with me and let me get my tool that fell over back here. Be right back. I didn't find the punch I wanted right away, so I'll try this one instead. I just didn't want to take a lot of time. I didn't want to end up making a 2-minute video. Have to do some contorting here. Something curved like this is just not probably ever going to be easy to deal with. I'm trying to keep this where you can see what I'm doing, but I guess if you can see me doing one of these, you can extrapolate it to all of them. And by the way, with that wire brush on the drill and everything, and this, please don't anybody report me to OSHA for not wearing safety glasses and being outside here without a coronavirus mask on. Oop, took that one a little bit too far. The end of this punch is not ideal for that, but like I said, it'll work, and I just didn't want to spend a lot of time. I don't know the punch I wanted to use, and I'm just not sure where it's at. I guess some folks might be thinking that this a lot easier for somebody that has a lot of tools. Well, can't say too much about that, I guess. Other than that, fixing stuff usually requires tools. I have spent many years fixing things. Almost done here. Alright, that'll do for those, at least for now. Now, to try to get my groove opened back up that I talked about. See, I've got an assortment of tools here. We'll see which one ends up working. I'll try the chisel first, and rather than go this way, I'm going to try to go down. No, that's not going to work. That's not going to sit in there. See that knuckle right there? You're waiting for me to hit it. It wouldn't be like I'd never done it before. Well, how about that? You probably can't see it. See, that opened it up real good. Now, get the other side. Kills me that I'm putting dents in my good piece of treated 4x4. But I'll get over it. I think that groove was not mashed as tight shut as I thought. Part of it is just the old caulking in it. one wants to be a little more tedious than the other. We don't want to get too rambunctious and cut through the end of the molding there, chisel it off. Need a couple more hands. Wood chisel. I don't like using this for this kind of thing. Ooh. Huh, look at that piece. That was actually metal. I almost chiseled through the end of it there, I think. Yeah, that'll be all right. And actually, I'm going to have to flatten this back out. I'll use a sharper blade to clean out a little bit of stuff in there, and then that'll be all right, I do believe. Now, these one. First, let's try to get this beat back into its original shape a little bit. See, it bent enough here, it's actually split there and there. Flatten it out here just a little bit, right in that area. Good enough. There's still just a little bit of a hump right in there. Instead of hitting on the whole thing. And let's see what I need to do here. This is my weight to keep this. This barrel is scrap metal